All right, so let's start with the big story that we're tracking on WION this hour, where the new mutant variant of the coronavirus, called the Omicron, has now spread to different parts of the world. India so far reported about 33 confirmed cases of Omicron, and amidst the rise in the number of cases across the country, the Indian Health Ministry has also chalked out a new plan to try and combat this new strain. Now, India's central government has asked states to carry out close monitoring in the 27 districts of India that have reported cases in the past 2 weeks. The government has also issued guidelines for containment zones in areas that have seen a rise in the number of positive cases. Restrictions on public gatherings, social congregations, and even capping of the number of attendees in marriages and funerals has been put in place. Now, apart from this, several state governments have also issued their own regulations. The health departments of the southern state of Karnataka has issued a new set of guidelines for the Omicron-infected patients. According to the new guidelines, the patients can be discharged after 10 days of the onset of symptoms only if they remain symptom-free for about 3 consecutive days. Oxygen levels are above 95 without support, and 2 negative RT-PCR tests in a span of 24 hours are also required. Meanwhile, the state of Maharashtra has imposed prohibitory orders in the capital city of Mumbai. Other than this, there's also another set of guidelines which have banned large gatherings, protests and rallies for about 48 hours. Maharashtra currently accounts for the maximum number of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus in India. Now, India, remember, has been ramping up its vaccination drive to try and check the spread of the infections. According to the Union Health Ministry, about 1.32 billion doses have been administered in the country so far, and about 42.7% of the country's total population of 1.3 billion people has already been fully vaccinated. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.